Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how to clean your headphone. Here I've got them, and you need to prepare 4 things. The first one is this soft cloth. It doesn't have to be lint free, it can be microfiber one, it can be any, of course, soft and clean. The second thing, ear cotton swabs. I would say that you'll need to have 2 of them, at least 2. Oh, I'd say even 3 or 4, depending on the level of dirt. And this was the second thing. The third thing is here, the alcohol. This alcohol needs to be either needs to be either isopropyl one or the ethyl one, depending on your budget or your location, or just which is easier for you to buy. It's right here. I can't take it out. I know who put it here, but it's right here, as you can see. You need to prepare it. And the fourth thing are brushes. Here I've got 2 of them, and one is medium one when it comes to the hardness, and one is very soft, very delicate. So the first thing, I don't have this alcohol with me here, as you can see it's stuck in my box, but take out both earbuds and spray 2 times, right here and right here, with this small amount, and then with this delicate brush, you need to slide brush everywhere, right here in the case. You can use, apart from this brush here, soft cloth, this cotton swabs, depending on the level of dirt. Remember that alcohol, these 2 types of alcohol that I told you, don't conduct electricity, so you are completely safe. Right here, spray it right here and right here. And inside should be done. Of course, not in 1 minute, like I did right now. It should be done a little bit longer, but I don't want to, waste time. I just want to show you the most important things. The outside, spray a little bit of alcohol everywhere on the case, and use the cloth to clean it around like this. And when it comes to the case, the most important thing is right here, the charging port. Take this medium brush when it comes to the hardness and clean inside. You can use this alcohol, isopropyl or ethyl one, inside. Clean this with non-metallic tools, just this brush and alcohol, and everything will be fine. Here, the same thing. And of course, now your earbuds should be clean. I mean your earbuds, your case at first. Now let's go back to the earbuds. Take off the ear tips like this, and with the cotton swab, clean the area of the speaker grill very delicately. And here, don't use alcohol or maybe idle, just on the cotton swab. Now, once it's done, you can use brush, this soft one, to clean this whole area. Now, you can clean the ear tip. The ear tip needs to be cleaned with only a brush and a cotton swab, but very delicately, with the circular movement, like this, and here, like this. And once you have it done and you see that it's clean, you need to put the ear tip back again and put it back in the case. And actually, you need to do the same thing to the second one. So once you do the same thing to the second earbud, you will be good to go with your, maybe not brand new, but almost like a brand new, clean JBL Endurance Peak 4 headphones. That's it. Bye.